Happy morning, dear children. In previous class, you have learnt perpendicular bisector. Have you remembered that? What do you mean by bisector? Bisector means it divides a line into two equal parts. Now we are going to learn about angle bisector. Let us learn how to bisect an angle. Bisecting an angle means dividing the given angle into two exact equal parts. Definition of an angle bisector, that is, if a line or a line segment divides an angle into two equal angles, then the line or line segment is called angle bisector of the given angle. Examples: in the following figures we can see angle bisectors. Here AOB is 60 degree. So bisector of 60 degree is 30 degree. Already we have known about that. That is, AOC is 30 degree and COB is 30 degree. One more example is PQR is 110 degree. Here bisector of 110 degree is PQ is 55 degree and SQR 55 degree. Therefore, angle bisector of 60 degree is 30 degree. Angle bisector of 110 degree is 55 degree. That is exactly half of that angle. Let us construct an example problem. Construct a bisector of angle ABC with the measure 80 degree. Let us see one example problem. Construct bisector of angle ABC with the measure 80 degree. Here, given an angle is 80 degree. That is, we are going to divide into two equal parts. What is the half of 80 degree? That is 40 degree. Let me check that. First, we can draw angle ABC is 80 degree. First, draw a line segment. This is A and this is B. By using the protractor, mark 80 degree. This you can mark it as C. Here B is the vertex and BA is one arm and BC is another arm. Now ABC angle is 80 degree. Now we are going to divide this angle. We are going to bisect this angle. That is, with B as center, you can take any suitable radius. Just you can extend the compass and draw one arc to meet the two arms of an angle. That is, BA at E and BC at F. With the same radius, E as center, you can draw an interior angle. Without changing the measurement, with F as center, you can draw one more arc to meet the previous one. The intersecting point, you can mark it as G. Now you can join BG just extend it to form a ray BX. Now BX is the required angle bisector of 80 degree. Let us check. Angle ABG is 40 degree and angle GBC is 40 degree. So this is angle bisector of 80 degree. Angle ABG is equal to angle GBC is equal to 40 degree. And this is how you can bisect any given angle. I hope that you all have understood the topic construction of angle bisector. The steps what I have followed in the figure, I have written in words in construction. And do the geometry problem neatly with the sharpened pencil and copy down the construction in your notebook. Have a good day. Thank you, children.